nacional.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Urellis and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 curly hairstyles that you can rock this summer because it is hot and humid and we're finally going to be out of quarantine. So I know that you guys are excited to hit the streets. These 3 hairstyles are pretty easy to do. I mean, if I can do them, you could definitely do them because I suck at doing my hair. So let's jump right into the video, and of course make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit that bell. That way you're notified whenever I upload and you don't miss another video. Let's get to it.
I don't know why, but I love doing that. So for the first hairstyle, it is super easy and basic. I'm going to pull out some curls on the sides of my hair, and I'm going to gather up all my hair on the top of my head, and then it should look something like this. And then I'm going to spritz some water to smooth down any like flyaways, and that way my hair looks nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take my hairbrush and start brushing my hair up. And I have really small curls on the bottom of my hair, so I like to do this step. You don't have to do this if you don't have that problem. Then I'm going to take like this clear hair tie. I got this at the beauty supply, but I'm pretty sure they sell it on Amazon. And I'm only going to put my hair through it once. I mean, if you would prefer a tighter style, you could definitely do it twice. But I prefer once, that way it looks kind of full on top. Then I'm going to refresh my curls with some water and a little bit of gel, and I'm just going to finger coil them. I honestly love this hairstyle. It's so simple and so easy to do, and it's perfect for summer because that humidity in New York is not a game. Like, it is so crazy out here. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on top. Whatever I find frizzy, or if my curl looks a little dry, I'll spritz a little bit of water and a tiny bit of like leave-in conditioner. If you don't have bangs, you can always slick your hair back and play with your baby hairs. I find that style to be super cute as well. And boom, this is the first hairstyle. You can rock this all summer long, out of these quarantine wall and windows, and you're ready to hit the streets. Alright, so for style number 2, I was low-key kind of sad that I had to take down my hair because I really love that hairstyle, but I'm going to do my second favorite. So you want to start off by wetting your hair because you want to smooth everything down. And then I'm going to part my hair in the middle. Now my hair is on the thick side, so it is a little difficult for me to like slick back my hair, so I have to do it in sections. I'm also going to go in with this leave-in conditioner, that way my hair is a lot smoother. And I'm going to just slick everything back and put it into a low bun. Well, for now, I'm just going to put it in a regular ponytail. Now I'm going to start working my way to the front and start slicking my hair back. I'm also going to leave out the side curls, that way this hairstyle looks a little different. I'm telling you guys, I am not the greatest at doing my hair. I mean, I grew up getting weekly blowouts. I never really had to do my hair. So, you know, every time I do my hair, it's a struggle, and I always have to work in sections because I'm not used to working with such thick hair, you know? Like, when you relax your hair automatically gets really thin, and that's what I was used to for so many years. But look at me now, bitch. Now moving on to my baby hairs, I'm going to put a little bit of edge control and do a little swoop, 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 swoop. Boom, here she is. She's ready to hit the Ave with her little mask on. Yo, isn't it 50 Cent who got like a song like Ski Mask Way?
Ski Mask Way, big money, big money, money, money.
Yo, give me a thumbs up if you hate wearing your mask. I hate it with a passion. Alright, so let's get focused. So hairstyle number 3. It is a little harder to do, I'm not gonna lie. I struggle a little bit, but it is pretty easy. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and split your hair to the side. You can pick any side that you want. Then you're going to put your hair into a high bun. You want to go ahead and refresh your swoop. I'm going to apply a little bit of gel. And I forgot to mention, when you part your hair to the side, you want to make sure that you do it on an angle. Then I'm going to take my hairbrush and start combing my hair down to the side and smoothing it at the same time. Then I'm going to gather the ends and tuck it behind my ear. And then I'm going to take my hairbrush again and keep smoothing down my hair. Then I'm going to secure it all with a bobby pin. To me, the hardest part was just to get my hair to look all smooth because I don't like to see any bumps or any gaps or anything like that. And to make this hairstyle a little more fancy, I decided to add like these little hair clips. Can you believe I found these at Dollar Tree? I mean, girl, boom, here she is. I'm mad hype because I struggled a little bit with this hairstyle. But she is ready to hit Starbucks and Home Goods to smell some candles.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give me a like because that helps your girl out a lot. And also let me know which hairstyle you'll be rocking all summer. And I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. And of course, don't forget to glow. Mwah.